If you watched my previous video, you probably remember that I mentioned we'd be creating a glitch effect. Well, today's the day. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make that awesome digital glitch effect right inside Alight Motion, step by step. This effect is perfect for transitions, text animations, or even adding some extra energy to your edits. And the best part is, you don't need any plugins or external apps. Everything we'll use is built right into Alight Motion. We'll start by setting up the base layer, then I'll teach you how to create that RGB split, add distortion, and finish it off with some dynamic shakes and noise to make it look realistic. So if you've ever wanted that cool, glitchy tech vibe in your edits, stay with me till the end. Because by the time we're done, you'll be able to create it easily and customize it any way you want. Alright, let's open up Alight Motion and get started with the glitch effect.